Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add table in Duda.com. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on widgets. When you will be here, you want to scroll down and find table. Take it and paste it. When you will have it, you can see that you can just easily edit table content here, which is also pretty easy. So you can just edit first name or change the table and really play around it. I don't know if what else should I tell you about it, but it's just like really easy. So that's kind of it, and this is it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, goodbye.